Everybody, Peter with the Rabbit Hole Railroad, and today we're going to train days at the St. Paul Union Depot. Coming up next. So they have some stuff set up inside here. Got some layouts, some vendors selling stuff. It's kind of like a little train show inside the depot here. You can see just how big this place was. This is like the big place where trains would take off back in the day. Alright, so a lot of big things to have out here this weekend is the couple engines from Canadian Pacific and Kansas City Southern. They're now part of the CPKC system from the merger earlier this spring. So we got a big fat old chonker AC 4400 sitting here. And representing KCS is a GE something. Not quite sure what else we're gonna do with this here. I hope they're using this for more than just display. Hope this makes them some money here at some point. Alright, I don't care who you are. This thing is a beast. Of course, its friend here is no slouch either. Alright, so the star of the show here they have this weekend is Milwaukee Road 261, the local 484 that lives around here. And they got open so people can go up and visit the cab. I'm sure it's warm in there. It's only like 90 degrees outside here today. And the other one down here is Great Northern 192 from the museum up in Duluth. We also have Milwaukee Road 32A and A9 painted up for Milwaukee Road. Not sure if this one was a former Milwaukee Road unit, but looking pretty sharp either way. Twin Cities and Westerners represent out here with number 2020. And a little bit farther on we have some of the coaches that came along with the 261. So kind of surprised to see, or I should say surprised not to see BN and BNSF and UP down here. Alright, well fellow trainers, thanks for watching Rabbit Hole Railroad. Stay out at the St. Paul train days. See you next time.